Hi guys, the much-awaited Dizo Watch S smartwatch's India launch could be right around the corner if a new leak is anything to go by. Dizo is reportedly prepping to take the wraps off its new smartwatch for the Indian market. To recall, Dizo unveiled its first smartwatch dubbed the Dizo Watch R with an AMOLED display back in January. Still riding high on the success of its maiden wearable device, the first brand under the Realme TechLife ecosystem is now set to launch another smartwatch. Like the previously launched watch, the upcoming smartwatch will sport an AMOLED display. According to a piece of information confirmed to my smart price by reputed tipster Mukul Sharma, the upcoming Dizo Watch in India will carry the Dizo Watch S moniker. Regrettably, details about the Dizo Watch S smartwatch's exact launch date in India are still scarce. However, Sharma claims that the Dizo Watch S could go official in the country sometime in March 2022. The upcoming Watch S will be a budget smartwatch like its predecessors. According to Sharma, the upcoming wearable will feature an AMOLED screen. Aside from that, the leaker claims that the Dizo Watch S India launch is set for the first week of March. However, he did not divulge the pricing details about the smartwatch. Nevertheless, since it is likely to be a budget smartwatch, the Dizo Watch S could retail for around 5,000 rupee in India. This pricing aligns with the currently available Dizo Watch R smartwatch's price. Aside from that, Dizo is keeping other details about its new smartwatch under wraps. The recently unveiled Dizo Watch R smartwatch features a 1.3-inch AMOLED touch display that offers 540 nits brightness. Furthermore, this always-on display has an anti-fingerprint coating. Also, the curved glass has a hardness of 7H. Moreover, the wearable draws its juices from a 280 mAh battery. This cell lasts up to 12 days even on a single charge, and offers a standby of 60 days. It fully charges in 2 hours. The smartwatch comes with more than 110 sports modes, cameras, and music controls. Aside from that, the Watch R carries an ATM Waterproof Rating. Users can link the smartwatch to the Dizo App 2.0 companion app through Bluetooth 5.0. The watch is compatible with devices running Android 5.0+. Moreover, it comes with more than 150 watch faces, including dynamic watch faces. Other notable features include route tracking through GPS, blood oxygen measurement, and heart rate sensor. In addition to that, the watch offers sleep detection, activity records, menstrual cycle tracking, breath training, and more. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Thank you for watching. See you soon.